So I'm in the middle of the woods right now. I'm gonna show you guys something. You can see our location. So I will show you. So look at this bridge we made. You can see. Yeah, you would not want to step in this. Okay. Could you tell our fort's here?
No way to get through this, right?
Our fort is in there, so. Alright. So yes, our fort's actually inside there. Our goal was to make it to where people wouldn't actually want to get inside of it, because people do raid these places. So you have to like duck and alright, here we are. So I'll talk about that later, but where we are now is like the central. We got some water over there and some over that way, and I'm gonna. Right, so, but before I explain that, we have a really nice canopy here. It's extremely shaded and stuff, and I don't want to get too close to this water because there might be alligators in it, but there's water there. Climbing tree if you're interested. And so now we also have a canopy out here as well. It lets more sunlight in. It could be better, but it's pretty good still. Alright, so that's, now this area is still kind of easy to see. So we have this fence because the area out here, it's much easier to see than back here. So we have a gate. And it's pretty solid. And pretty much have to use it to get in. I mean, you could sneak past it, but... So anyways, this is our first day, so we don't really have much done, but... Oh, my bad, it's actually the second day. So, yeah, that's what I was talking about. We have more water there. This is like a kind of hangout spot. If we get an extra person to come over here, they could sit here. And, right, so, yeah, this space could be like where we put our own individual huts, but back here we camouflaged this blue tarp so no one can see it, and we do have some man-made stuff, so we're going for bushcraft. And you can see we use this tree. Well, It's Your Favorite Nut did. It's a YouTube channel, and yeah, we didn't cut down any trees doing this. So let me just sit in this. Pretty good view of the woods. And It's Your Favorite Nut built pretty much everything, and me and my brother gathered supplies for this. So the fence was all him, and this, I put the bench down, but he did everything else, and we gathered resources. And we're calling this the Ace Camp because that's all of our initials. I'm not gonna say our real names, but those are all three of our initials. So, yeah, we just went to the store if you're wondering why that's there. And don't worry, we're not gonna leave it here. Okay, so, we didn't move any trees by cutting them down or anything. You can see this is tied so that we didn't hurt the tree, but it won't grow in our spot. And back here, it's a really, really nice canopy made with all sticks pretty much, some leaves. And yeah, so that's pretty covered up, and all of this back here showed you the palm fronds on it once again. And this tarp would kind of act as like a flag, so that's why we covered it. We don't want anyone to know where we are. That's what the top of it looks like. So there's the tarp, and something really interesting, I think, is, there it is. Hold on. Yeah, this is a great area. But, see this can? I think it's one of those like butane things, and those are made with pretty thick metal, and it's completely rusted out. So that must be really old. So that's pretty much all we have done with Ace Camp right now. But now I'm gonna start exploring and showing you guys these woods. If you hear footsteps behind me, I do have a friend with me, so that's why. Oh. Got a leaf bed everywhere. So a lot of these, see, this is where we're getting the sticks. They're just on the ground. But the problem is a lot of them are already rotted, so. Let's go. Oh, I just remembered there's this one spot where you can get a great view of these. So I'm gonna go show you guys it. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. There's a lot of birds here, so that's nice. This spot is at the exit, and I'm kind of close to it, sorta. There's a lot of palm fronds and stuff. I think it's this way. Okay, approaching it. Ooh, look at that. There's water underneath here too. Where is it? Oh man, this is loose. Hold on. Okay, I got on a solid piece. Oh, well, the water must have dried up, but I don't know if you can see, but down there it looks wet. Don't really know how this got here, but look how high I am. So, yeah, see them woods pretty much all around me. Some over there. Those are just bushes though. They're really high. Alright, and here's the ground from here. Oh, wait. Okay, so here we are in a nice open spot. Our fort's down there, and I want to show you this cool spot. It's got water in it, unless it dried up, but we also have a bridge. There's a lot of junk over here. There's a fort back there. There's a pond right there. Ooh, spider web on my face. So, yeah, this was somebody's fort, but people destroyed it. That's why we have to hide ours. There's a bike back here. Oh, there's a spider web on me. Yeah, there's that bridge I was talking about. You can see water. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, now you probably can. And then I'm not gonna go explore over there because there's a tent back there, but so if people, they don't want these tarps back, they might give them to us. We're not sure yet, but that might be a thing, and we might get more blue tarps. So yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, and in the next videos I can actually show you me building the fort, then like and maybe even comment. And I know on a video sometimes I think one like and one comment isn't really gonna help, but I'm a really small channel, so it'll help me out a lot. So yeah. Oh, I don't want to sit in that. So yeah, go check out It's Your Favorite Nut, and that's his YouTube channel, and I don't really think my brother really wants a shout out. So yeah, one more view, and if I get a lot of support, I'll make a new video about this next weekend. So, bye.